Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of urban gardening. You don't need a sprawling backyard to grow your own fresh herbs. We're going to transform your balcony into a culinary oasis. If you've ever wanted to grow your own herbs but thought you didn't have the space, think again. Get ready to elevate your cooking one herb at a time. Let's kick things off with the king of herbs, basil. This fragrant beauty is a staple in any culinary arsenal. Choose a pot that's at least 6 inches wide to give those roots room to breathe. Basil loves a good drink, but it hates soggy feet. Use well-draining soil. Water it thoroughly when the topsoil feels dry, but don't overdo it. Sunshine is key. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Basil is incredibly versatile. It's the star of the show in classic Italian dishes like caprese salad and margherita pizza. Fresh basil pesto is a game-changer, bursting with flavor. It adds a fresh, vibrant kick to everything from pasta sauces and soups to cocktails and even desserts. To keep your basil plant happy, pinch off those flower buds as soon as they appear. Pinching encourages bushier growth and ensures a steady supply of those precious leaves. So there you have it, everything you need to know to grow your own glorious basil. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are out of this world. Fresh, flavorful basil at your fingertips. That's what I call living the good life. Next up, we've got oregano, the heart and soul of Italian cuisine. This hardy herb is as low maintenance as it gets, perfect for even the most novice gardeners. Like basil, oregano loves well-draining soil and plenty of sunshine. Oregano can tolerate a bit of neglect. When it comes to planting, you can start with seeds or get a head start with a young plant from your local nursery. Oregano thrives in hot, sunny conditions. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Once your oregano is established, it will reward you with an abundance of fragrant leaves. Oregano is a culinary powerhouse, adding depth and complexity to countless dishes. It's practically mandatory in any self-respecting tomato sauce, pizza topping, or Italian herb blend. Regular pruning is key to keeping your oregano plant healthy and bushy. Pinch back the stems regularly to encourage new growth. Dry oregano clippings to infuse your olive oil, vinegar, or even your salt. Plant it, forget about it almost, and enjoy the taste of Italy in every bite. Last, but certainly not least, we have parsley, the unsung hero of the herb world. This versatile herb packs a nutritional punch and adds a fresh, vibrant flavor to countless dishes. Let's talk about the two main types of parsley you'll encounter: curly parsley and flat leaf parsley. Curly parsley is the one we all know from those little garnish sprigs. Flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley, has a more delicate flavor and is the preferred choice for cooking. Both types of parsley are easy to grow in pots on your balcony. Parsley prefers well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight, but can tolerate some shade. When it comes to watering, parsley likes to stay evenly moist but not soggy. Harvest it like a pro. Focus on harvesting the outer stems of the plant. Parsley is a culinary chameleon, blending seamlessly into a wide range of dishes. It's a staple in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine, adding a fresh, herbaceous note to everything from tabbouleh to hummus. Grow it, use it liberally, and taste the difference fresh herbs can make. There you have it. A crash course in balcony herb gardening. We've tackled 3 culinary superstars: basil, oregano, and parsley, taking the mystery out of growing fresh flavors right at home. Remember, even with limited space, a little dedication goes a long way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Now go on, get your hands dirty, and transform that balcony into a fragrant, flavorful oasis. Happy gardening and enjoy your fresh herbs.